This anime has been created from a simple text prompt by using an AI model. Anime has been stealing our hearts for over 60 years, from the magical worlds of Studio Ghibli to the epic battles of modern hits like Jujutsu Kaisen. It's all about bold characters, breathtaking visuals, and pure imagination. Today, AI is completely changing the game, letting anyone create stunning anime art in seconds instead of waiting months for an artist. And one of the most exciting new tools in the AI we have been covering on the channel from day zero. As you can see, we have covered a lot of anime models, and in this video, we are going to cover this new exciting new model called as Z Anime. Z Anime is a powerful anime focused AI model that delivers rich, beautiful anime style illustrations with incredible diversity. In this video, we are going to install it locally and we are going to generate many of the anime in different styles. More importantly, I will be telling you how you can also do it under 8 GB of VRAM or somewhere around that. Plus, I will be telling you how this model was created in as simple words as possible. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. So, first up, what exactly is this model? So, this model has been built from ground up. An indie developer took Alibaba's strong 6 billion parameter Z image base model, which we also have covered on the channel, and did a full fine tune from the ground up. He retrained the entire model specifically on high quality anime art, turning it into a dedicated anime powerhouse while keeping all the original strengths like great prompt understanding and creative freedom. But let's see how much successful that creator was. Let me first tell you how you can actually get it installed and we will generate few anime images. The first step which you need to do in order to get this installed is to install Comfy UI. Comfy UI is a powerful node-based interface for running AI image generation models like this Z Anime and various others. All you need to do is to just go to my channel, search with Comfy UI tutorial. I will also drop the link in description and watch this first video. You will become a hero from zero in Comfy UI in no time after watching this video. I can assure you that. So I am assuming that you already have Comfy UI running and loaded. Second step, go to the models card in Hugging Face and I will again also drop the link in video's description. Go to file section, scroll down. First, go to diffusion models. In diffusion models, as per your GPU card, if you have a lower GPU card like 8 GB or something like that, just select this last file. They have different versions. I am going to go with this full version because my GPU card is this on Ubuntu, which is NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. And if you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. So in order to download, just right click on this downward arrow and save link as. Go to where Comfy UI is installed, then go to models. From there, just search for diffusion model. So this is a diffusion model. I have already saved it here. So I'll just cancel it. Second thing which you need to do, you need to simply again go to files or go back and then go to text encoder. This is the diffusion model is which actually generates the anime from text. This text is which handles your prompt. And again, I'm just going to select this BF16. You can go with the lower one, FP8 for your lower VRAM. Right click on this downward arrow, save link as, and then go to Comfy UI models, and then from here just search for text encoders and then save it here. It's already there for me. Third and final, you would need to download the variational autoencoder model, this V model as we call it. It is same for every version. So all you need to do is to just right click and then save link as, and you will just go back to Comfy UI models and save it in your V directory. I already have saved it. Primarily, this V model brings your model from latent space to pixel space. Latent space is where model works. Pixel space is where you can see the image. If you want to learn more about what exactly this means, just search latent on my channel and then you should be able to watch this video. And I would highly encourage you to watch this video because this gives you a lot of information around how exactly this thing works behind the scene. Okay, so these are all the things which you need to do. Finally, you would need a workflow so that you could, workflow means all these nodes and which are connected together to create the image. I will go into that detail shortly. For workflow, again, just go to files and then scroll down. They have provided a workflow. So just again, you just download it on your system and drag and drop on this area and you should be able to get it. Now in Comfy UI, there are various nodes. Accordingly, if you have are doing what I have done, and go to load diffusion model, select the base model here, your text encoder here in the clip and V here. If you are using gguf file, again they also have provided the gguf nodes as you can see here. So just load accordingly your gguf model. One thing you would need to do, if you are using gguf model, just toggle it on. So I have toggled my diffusion models on because I'm using the diffusion models. And don't worry about checkpoint, this is just one file, but I rather not go with that one. Okay, so that is all you needed to do. Next step is to simply give your positive prompt. So I have just given this positive prompt and then it went in and generated first this image. Once it generated this image for me, it has again upscaled it, and that is part of the workflow, and you can see the difference between the original and the upscaled one here, which is more detailed, more realistic, more fine-grained and nuanced. Okay, so now you know how to do these things. Let me now give it another prompt and we will see what it generates. So I'm just going to run this here. I'm asking it to create me a breathtaking masterpiece anime illustration of an elegant silver-haired anime warrior queen standing atop a crumbling ancient temple ruin at twilight. So a lot of other stuff there. Let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption for the full model. So it is just consuming touch over 12 gig of VRAM and it is going to go up, but initially it does that, but even that is not bad at all. Just 13, 14, maybe 12. So you can easily use it on your consumer GPU. Okay, now while it does that, let me talk you through what exactly is happening there. You see that now we have this uh, green border here on generate image and there are various parameters like step, CFG and all that. What exactly are these? I already have covered them in detail in Comfy UI and few other videos, but let me very quickly give you a snapshot. So steps is how many times the AI thinks and refines your image. More step, higher quality, but takes longer. CFG is guidance scale. It controls how strictly the AI follows your prompt. Higher number, more obedient, lower number, more creative. Something like temperature. Sampler is the method the AI uses to turn noise into a picture, and we are using Euler Ancestor, which is the sweet spot for Z-enemy base model. Scheduler is it works together with the sampler to decide how the image gets cleaned up over each step, and we are using a beta for that. Seed is just a random number that decides the exact look of your image. Same seed, same setting, identical result every time. And resolution, you already know what that means. Okay, so it's almost there. And this is what it has created. Looks pretty good to me. And then I'll check it later in the big screen. And now it is going to upscale this one. So it is, let's wait for it. Shouldn't take too long. And there you go, looks pretty good to me. I'll just open this one maybe in the browser. There you go. So this is our anime image. Look at the style. I explicitly asked it for this, fire and all these, and it has done pretty well. Expressions are pretty good too. Okay, let's do one more. The next one is about again a mystical nine-tailed fox spirit girl floating gracefully. There are some kimono flowing ribbons and then some cherry blossoms Very rich, vibrant colors and studio anime art. Let's see how it goes. And this is simply a wow factor. Look at this original image. This is so vibrant, so vivid, and it has perfectly followed my prompt. Look at everything around Fox theme, and it is going to upscale it. Can't really wait for the upscaler. But even this original one is awesome. Really beautiful image. And I think it has already completed it. There you go. How good is that? How good is that? This is so good. So this is upscaled and this is the one. So I'm just going to show it to you in a browser window. There you go. Amazing, amazing stuff. Beautiful. Okay, let me do last one. And the last one is for the people of culture and class, sort of. So we are going to the college campus and we are asking you to generate a college girl anime with emerald eyes and a warm, friendly smile. And then there is a lot of detail around cherry blossom, sunny college campus, and I think it has already generated it. Let me also quickly show you, and it has actually done pretty well, I would say. There you go, expressions are pretty good, and college campus is depicted. And this is the one in the upscaled one. Let's check it out. Let me go here. Yep, pretty good, pretty good, really, really good. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let me know what do you think about this model, and any questions, just put it in the comments, and also share your experience. Please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates, and please like and subscribe and become a member, as that helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.